Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about different types of combustion. You may have observed not all substances burn in same way. Some burns slowly, some burn rapidly, some substances burn with flame and some without flame. You must have seen that a burning gas stove. After applying the gas lighter or burning matchstick, the gas burns rapidly and produces heat and light. So, this kind of combustion is known as rapid combustion. So, what is meant by rapid combustion? The combustion in which substances burn rapidly to produce heat and light is called rapid combustion. For example, burning of LPG. So, in rapid combustion, external heat must be supplied so that the substance can burn. Let us move to the second type of combustion. In our previous chapter, we learned sodium is very reactive metal and it vigorously reacts with oxygen and water. And in the case of phosphorus, it's very reactive non-metal and it catches fire if exposed to air. So, this kind of combustion is known as spontaneous combustion. What is meant by spontaneous combustion? Let us look. The combustion in which substances suddenly burst into flames without the application of any apparent cause is called spontaneous combustion. Examples for spontaneous combustion are sodium and phosphorus burn spontaneously in air even when no external heat is provided to them. Next, spontaneous combustion of coal dust in coal mines and spontaneous forest fires due to the heat of the sun and due to the lightning strike. Next one. We generally have fireworks on festival days. When a cracker is ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light, and sound. A large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated. Such a reaction is called explosion. That is, a combustion reaction that occurs suddenly with the evolution of light, heat, and sound. A large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated. Such a reaction is called explosion. So, these are the different types of combustion. Hope you understood. Thank you.